First time in the bumbo. What you looking at? Look at you supporting that big old head. Ella, can you look up? Or is that head too heavy? Oh, there you go. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, sweet pea. Hey. Hey, sweetie. You like your little seat? You like your little seat? Well, it's work, isn't it? Ella. Ella. Look up here, baby girl. Okay, as soon as I get this head moving. Here we go. Getting stronger. Oh, good job. Lift that head a little bit more. Just checking things out. You looking at Mommy's cell phone? You looking at the pretty white carpet?